Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we're continuing with our fish stock procedure. And I've got vegetables which I've sweated in my stock pot, and I've got carrots, onions, celery, and some mushrooms that I threw in at the last minute. And again, I threw the mushrooms in there with the stems on just at the very last minute just to get a tiny bit of a sweat on them. And as the mushrooms tumble around, as this whole mixture is starting to simmer, the mushrooms are actually going to act as like a sponge, and they're kind of going to clarify this liquid as the cooking process goes on. So I've got some fish here. I've got a red snapper carcass and a Gulf flounder. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these guys in. And I've got some snapper throats in there as well that I described to you earlier, because they have a lot of meat on the underside right underneath the pectoral fins. So these guys are going to go in like so. And all I'm going to do is fill this pot with cool water. Once again, cool water. Don't ever start with hot. We're going to start with cool water. And I'm really just going to pour to about an inch over the top of all the items that are in the pot there. I'm going to drop in a sachet, which we've shown you how to make in another video as well. And I'm going to go ahead and tie this to the handle now. So we'll put the water about an inch over the top of this, cool water. We'll put it back on the fire, bring it up to simmer. In 30 minutes, we'll show you what the finished product's going to look like.